What's up, guys, and welcome back to another daily vlog. Someone, ow, man, ow! Somehow, all these squirt guns got introduced into the warehouse. That's a terrible idea because for the past hour, it's been a complete water gun war. Oh, yeah, yeah! Today we're going to be putting the carpet into the RX7. That is a huge step because once this carpet gets installed, we can start putting back the dash and start piecing together the rest of the car.
It's a very special match here to a toilet bowl.
Oh, God damn it! First test fit, we have way too much material of the carpet in the front of the car, which we knew that. We lined this carpet up with the old carpet, and there's quite a bit extra, but for the most part, this mold looks pretty damn good. So we just wanted to throw it in the car, get a general idea of how it fit and how it looked. So we're gonna take this back out. We're gonna trim off from the front and trim off some excess sides, test fit again, make adjustments, and so on and so forth.
Work from the back forward.
I mean, from the forward back.
No, from the back of the car forward is how it will work. But in this case, because there's a bunch of extra material in the front, we're going to remove that front extra material, get the carpet to sit where it's meant to sit, and then we will work from the back forward.
All right, so inch by inch, we're just cutting out pretty much the template from the old carpet. It's a very long and slow process, but we'll go a long way once it's all done.
That needs a bigger cut.
I think you guys did a good fucking job here. Good on you, Tej. I need to do some trimming up here. Everything needs to be cut a little bit deeper, but for the most part, yeah, it's pretty good. It's having a weird bowing effect right here. You guys see that?
Like David Bowie?
Bad meme, Nick. Bad meme. We're gonna cut a little bit from here. It's sitting really nice, like on the hump. Oh, whoa, that's really good. That fits really nice.
Almost like they knew what they were doing.
On the bottom of the foot, what would you call these, Mickey? Foot, place? Floor mat. On the back of the floor mat, there are these like carpet, like sound deadening material. Mickey doesn't think they're sound deadening, but I think they're sound deadening. Anyways, what we're doing is we're taking this off the bottom, and they sent out this stuff. Brand new, non-lubed up mat. You could smell it. I could smell it from right here, and it
Oh, I farted actually.
smells like slime. Oh.
I farted.
Past like 2 hours, a bunch of things have happened, so I'm gonna update you on all of that. One, I got the 350 loaded up, got that on the back of the trailer. Calvin put the tires up for me. And Mickey went in and did some final touches on the carpet, like cutting out all like the little holes. I kind of butchered that one, don't look at that, but that's all be covered. But like all the holes are now cut for the carpet. The only one drawback about this aftermarket carpet is for some reason around the tunnel here, there's a lot of excess material. It took the shape pretty well, but there's a bunch of excess stuff. So kind of what plan moving forward with this is to potentially cut a slit right here and then grab both sides and pinch them together and staple it, if that makes sense, to kind of make up for some of the slack. But of course, we don't have a big staple gun, so we're probably gonna wait off on that. The initial plan was put the dash back in because it's relatively easy, Mickey told me. I'm gonna go ahead and start cleaning this rear plastic piece that goes right here. I forgot to do that. It's a complete mess. So while I'm cleaning this portion, Mick's gonna go forth and help me with the doors and probably put back some of the speakers and then kind of put back the interior pieces. I think the biggest piece that we were missing was that carpet. And now that the carpet's here, we can go ahead and start putting back all these panels, which isn't really that much work. All of these boxes are pieces for the interior, which is a little intimidating, but this is that rear portion I was talking about that needs to be cleaned. For some reason, my RX7 was covered in like this sand and like goop. I don't even know what that is.
I have a hypothesis. I think a quart of oil was spilled in the car.
Really?
Yeah, probably threw his beach towels or something in the car and spilled sand everywhere, and it just stuck to it. There's definitely oil in the car, in the floor pan, so that's what we've been cleaning up.
This will be one of the most satisfying things you've seen all video.
Oh, you should clean half of it.
I did that last time. I made my point.
Yeah,
I'm eager to
did?
clean this.
Oh, okay. Clean it. This is like the dirtiest thing. Just open it up.
No, don't do that, don't do that yet, don't do that yet.
I know, but like, look at the door handles. Oh, look at all the...
I'm not there yet.
Look at all the crispies.
I'm not there yet.
Ew, Tej.
Oh my,
Stop. Stop.
That's disgusting. I'm sorry for the immediate jump cut back home. There were so many parts in the RX7 that we were trying to approach at, but there were certain things that we were missing to finish the job. Certain push pins for the door panels, that stapler for the carpet so they could put the front dash back in. I wanted some more detailing equipment to finish up the interior pieces for putting in the rear end. I kind of just hit a wall and decided to call it quits, and we came home because we have a lot of preparation for one tomorrow. We're gonna go driving tomorrow, so I need to get a good night's sleep for that because we have a crazy long drive to the track, which you guys are very familiar with at this point. And at the end of this weekend, we're going on a trip, and a lot of you were commenting it in yesterday's video. And no, it's not Australia, but it's close to Australia. That's your biggest hint. I will see you guys bright and early tomorrow morning. Thank you so much for watching today's video. Peace out and keep moving forward.